Every summer we bring in our distributors from not just across the United States, but globally as well, to come in and learn more about our products. Bringing them into our facility to do a week-long training on our products is extremely valuable in helping them learn more about our products, but also helping us learn more about them and what they are seeing out in the industry.
We represent a number of different food processing equipment across a number of different industries, with SPX FLOW being our primary manufacturer. I've been with the company for 12 years now, and I've been coming up doing these since the beginning.
Our distribution channel is our voice and our connection to our end customers. Having the ability for them to learn our products, train on our products is extremely important so that we can better serve our end customers.
Slides right in.
Being able to be up here and kind of put your hands on the equipment, it's beneficial to be able to see it hands-on like that.
Really unique feature that
we have a number of individuals who are experts in each of our product lines, whether it be valves, pumps, homogenizers, heat exchangers. So they're the ones teaching the class.
Just the wealth of knowledge that SPX FLOW has, from its application people to product specialists to customer service. I mean, the number of years that a lot of these people have been here is just too good to pass up when there's an opportunity for all of them to be in one place and kind of ask your questions all at one time.